Focus like a pro. Master deep focus in 7 steps. Why focus changes everything and how pros think about it. Most people feel busy every day, but few people feel proud at the end of the day. They work a lot, yet they move forward very little. This is not because they are lazy, this is because they lack deep focus. Focus is not talent. Focus is not luck. Focus is a skill. And every skill can be trained. When you learn how to focus deeply, your life changes. Your work becomes faster. Your mind becomes calmer. Your confidence grows naturally. Professionals know this secret. They protect their focus like gold. They train it every day. Beginners think focus means forcing yourself to work harder. Professionals know focus means removing what steals your attention. This article will show you how pros focus, step by step, in simple language with clear images in your mind. You do not need talent. You do not need motivation at the start. You only need to begin. What deep focus really means. Deep focus means giving full attention to one thing, only one thing. No phone, no noise, no switching tasks. Your mind stays with the work. Your body stays still. Your energy flows in one direction. Imagine sunlight through a magnifying glass. When light is scattered, it feels warm. When light is focused, it burns. Your attention works the same way. Most people scatter their attention all day. They check messages, they open many tabs, they jump between tasks. This feels productive, but it creates shallow work. Shallow work looks busy. Deep work creates results. Professionals choose depth over speed. They slow down to go far. Why beginners struggle with focus. Beginners think focus should feel easy. It does not. At the beginning, focus feels uncomfortable. Your mind wants to escape. Your body wants movement. This is normal. This is training. Focus is like a muscle. When you first use it, it feels weak. With practice, it becomes strong. Most people quit too early. They say they cannot focus. The truth is they stopped training. Professionals expect resistance. They expect boredom. They expect discomfort. And they continue anyway. This is the difference. The cost of poor focus. Poor focus costs more than time. It costs confidence. When you cannot focus, you feel out of control. You doubt yourself. You feel behind others. Tasks pile up. Stress increases. Motivation disappears. You start many things. You finish very few. This creates a silent fear, the fear of never reaching your potential. Deep focus removes this fear. It gives clarity. It gives direction. One focused hour can change your entire day. How professionals see their time. Professionals do not see time as hours. They see time as energy. They ask one question: what deserves my best energy today? They do not try to do everything. They choose what matters most. They protect mornings. They limit distractions. They say no often. Not because they are rude, because they are clear. Clarity creates power. Focus is a decision before it is an action. You do not start focusing when you sit down. You start focusing when you decide what matters. Focus begins with choice. What will I work on today? What will I ignore today? Ignoring is as important as doing. Professionals decide in advance. Beginners decide in the moment. The moment is weak. The plan is strong. The illusion of multitasking. Multitasking feels smart. It feels efficient. It is neither. Your brain cannot focus on 2 things deeply. It switches rapidly. This switching drains energy. After switching, your mind feels tired, but nothing important is finished. Professionals work in blocks. One task, one direction. They finish before they switch. Your environment shapes your focus. Focus is not only inside your head, it is also around you. A noisy space creates a noisy mind. A clean space creates calm. Professionals design their environment. They remove temptations. They reduce choices. Less choice means less thinking. Less thinking means more focus. You do not need a perfect room. You need fewer distractions. Even small changes help. The power of starting small. You do not need hours of focus. You need minutes. 5 minutes of real focus beats 1 hour of distraction. Professionals start small. They build momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Confidence creates consistency. Consistency creates mastery. This is the path. A new identity. Stop saying you cannot focus. Start saying you are learning to focus. Words shape identity. Identity shapes behavior. Professionals see themselves as focused people. They act in alignment with that belief. You can do the same. Every focused session is a vote for your new identity.
The 7 steps to build deep focus like a professional. Deep focus is not magic. It is a system. Professionals do not wait to feel ready. They follow steps. Now you will learn the 7 steps. Each step is simple. Each step is powerful. You do not need to be perfect. You only need to practice. Step 1. Choose one clear target. Focus begins with clarity. If you do not know what to focus on, your mind will wander. Professionals choose one target before they start. Not 5, not 3, 1. This target must be clear. It must be specific. Bad target. Work on English. Good target. Learn 10 new English words and use them in sentences. Your brain loves clarity. Clarity reduces stress. When the target is clear, focus becomes easier. Before every session, ask yourself one question. What is the one thing I will finish? Step 2. Remove distractions before you start. Do not fight distractions during focus time. Remove them before. Professionals prepare their space first. They silence notifications. They close extra tabs. They move the phone away. They do not trust willpower. They trust preparation. Willpower gets tired. Systems do not. Even one small distraction can break deep focus. Imagine building a house. You would not invite noise during construction. Your focus deserves the same respect. Step 3. Set a short focus block. Beginners think focus must last long. This belief kills progress. Professionals start with short blocks. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Short blocks feel safe. Your brain does not panic. When time feels limited, focus increases. Set a timer. Promise yourself one thing. I will not stop until the timer ends. When the timer ends, you win. Winning builds confidence. Step 4. Focus on process, not results. Results create pressure. Pressure kills focus. Professionals focus on the process. They ask, what is the next small action? Write one sentence. Solve one problem. Read one page. Small actions remove fear. Fear makes the mind escape. Action brings the mind back. When you focus on doing, results appear naturally. Trust the process. Step 5. Accept discomfort without escaping. Deep focus feels uncomfortable at first. This is normal. Your mind will complain. It will ask for rest. It will ask for distraction. Professionals do not obey every thought. They observe discomfort. They stay. Discomfort is a sign of growth. Comfort creates stagnation. Imagine lifting weights. Muscle grows when it struggles. Focus grows the same way. Stay a little longer each time. Step 6. Take real breaks. Focus needs recovery. Professionals rest with intention. They do not scroll endlessly. They do not overload the mind. They stand up, they stretch, and they breathe. A real break refreshes energy. A fake break drains it. After rest, focus becomes sharper. Respect your limits. Train wisely. Step 7. End with reflection. Professionals do not rush to the next task. They pause. They ask simple questions. What went well? What was difficult? What can I improve next time? Reflection turns experience into learning. Learning creates progress. Even one sentence of reflection is enough. This closes the focus loop. Building the habit. Deep focus grows through repetition, not intensity. One focused session today, another tomorrow. Miss one day, return the next. Professionals are not perfect. They are consistent. Consistency beats motivation. What you are becoming. Each step you practice changes you. You become calmer. You become clearer. You become more confident. Others may not see it yet. You will feel it. Focus changes how you see yourself. You stop chasing productivity. You start creating results. Turning deep focus into a daily lifestyle. Deep focus is not something you do once. It is something you live. Professionals do not depend on motivation. They depend on structure. Structure creates freedom. When focus becomes part of your day, progress feels natural. Design your day around focus. Do not fit focus into your day. Build your day around focus. Choose one time for deep work. Morning is best for most people. Your mind is fresh. Your energy is high. Protect this time. Treat it like an important meeting, because it is. Start the day with intention. Professionals do not start the day reacting. They start deciding. Before checking messages, ask one question. What is the most important task today? Write it down. Make it visible. This gives your day direction. Direction reduces anxiety. Create a simple daily focus ritual. Rituals signal the brain. Now it is time to focus. It can be simple. Sit in the same place. Use the same notebook. Start the same way. Consistency trains the mind faster. Soon, focus feels automatic. Protect focus in a noisy world. The world is loud. Attention is under attack. Professionals accept this reality. They do not fight it emotionally. They create boundaries. They limit social media. They schedule messages. They choose silence. Silence is not empty. It is powerful. Learn to say no without guilt. Every yes costs focus. Professionals say no often, not to people, to distractions. They understand one truth. You cannot do everything well. Choosing one path requires closing others. This is maturity. Focus is stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Focus stays when trained. On low-energy days, professionals still show up. They reduce the time, but they keep the habit. 5 focused minutes maintain identity. Never break the chain twice. Measure progress the right way. Do not measure hours, measure quality. Ask yourself, did I stay with the task? Did I resist distraction? Even imperfect focus counts. Progress is invisible at first, then it becomes unstoppable. When focus feels impossible. Some days are heavy. The mind feels scattered. This does not mean you failed. It means you're human. On these days, return to basics, short blocks, simple tasks. Momentum will return. Focus builds self-trust. Each time you focus, you keep a promise to yourself. Self-trust grows quietly, but it changes everything. You stop doubting. You start believing. Belief fuels action. The long-term effect of deep focus. Months of focus change your skills. Years of focus change your life. You become reliable. You become respected. You become confident. Not because you are busy,
because you are effective. You are no longer a beginner. Beginners wait for the perfect moment. Professionals create it. You now have the system. You have the steps. The rest is practice. Final reminder. Focus is a choice you make daily. A small choice, repeated often. Choose depth. Choose clarity. Choose progress. One focused session today is enough. Final call to action. Do not save this for later. Choose one task now. Set a short timer. Remove distractions. Begin. Your future self is watching.
If this message hit you, then don't just watch and leave. Like this video, share it to someone who needs this wake-up, and subscribe to this channel. Study yourself 1 hour a day. We are building a different breed here, a new generation of doers, people who don't wait for permission, people who build themselves daily, people who compound quietly and become untouchable over time. Hit subscribe, join the movement. 1 hour a day, every day. And in 1 year, your future self will not recognize you anymore. Let's grow. Let's execute. Let's dominate our own potential. Subscribe now and start becoming the person nobody can compete with.